Okay, welcome back students. Now next concept is word problems based on the addition and subtraction of the fraction. Okay, now again we will take some examples. And first question is a rectangular park is 7 whole 3 by 5 meter long and 3 1 by 15 meter wide. Find its perimeter. Simple. First of all, what is the length of the park? What is the length of the park? That is 7 3 by 5 meter. So what it will be? First you will multiply 7 5 is 35, 35 3, 38 by 5 meter. Okay. Now what is the width? Okay. Breadth is 3 1 by 15 meter. It will be 15 3 is 45, 45 over 1, 46 by 15 meter. Now you have to find out the perimeter. What you have to find out? The perimeter. And the park is rectangular. Now what you will write here? Perimeter of rectangular park. Perimeter of rectangular park. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. Okay, now we have to do the calculations. 2 into what is the value of L here? That is 38 by 5. What is the value of width here? That is 46 by 15. Okay, now what you will do? First you will solve the brackets. Now take the LCM of 5 and 15. What it will be? It will be 15. Now divide the denominator. 5 3s are 15. Okay, and 38 3s are, that it will be 114. Okay, 15 ones are 15. It will be 46. Now what it will be? 2 into 114 and 46. I think 160 it will be. 160 divided by 15. Now write down the simplest form. If they are, just cancel the terms. Now 5 3s are 15. Okay, 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. Now what it will be? It will be 32 2s are 64. Divide by 5. Divide by 3. Sorry. Now just convert them into the mixed fraction. It will be 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. How much left? Only 1. So the perimeter of the rectangular park is 21 whole 1 by 3 meter. This is your answer. Now comes to the next question. Next one problem is Dheeraj finished the work in 1 by 2 days. Anil finished the same work in 1 by 4 days. Who worked longer and by what fraction was it longer? Okay, now very simple. Now two persons are there. One is Dheeraj and second is Anil. Now Dheeraj finished the work in 1 by 2 days. First of all, you will convert into the simple one. 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 by 2 days. Okay. Now and Anil 4 1 by 4 days. That means 4 4s are 16 or 1 17 by 4 days. Now they are talking about who worked longer. That means किसने ज़्यादा देर काम किया. That we have to find out. Now just write the both numbers. Just write down the both numbers. Now denominator are not same. Denominators are not same, so we have to make them same. Take the LCM of 2 and 4. The LCM of 2 and 4 will be 4. Now divide the denominator. 2 2s are 4. 2. 2 9s are 18. It will be 4 1s are 4. 17. So which number is larger here? 18 is the larger part. So who works longer here? 9 by 2. 9 by 2 is Dheeraj. So you will write, what you will write here? Dheeraj worked longer. Okay. Now comes to the next part. They are asking by what fraction was it longer? Means by what fraction. Now comes to the next part. We have written there 18 and 17. Now this one is larger, na? So we will write the larger one before. So 18 minus 17 by 4. That means this one is the Dheeraj part. This one is the Dheeraj part and this one is Anil's part. Okay. Now when you subtract 18 minus 17, it will be 1 by 4 days. Means what it does means that it means Dheeraj worked longer. How much? 1 by 4 days as compared to the Anil. Now the next topic is ascending and descending order of fractions. Okay. Now first example that I have taken, that is 1 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7. Now what is the meaning of ascending order? That means increasing order simply, that is increasing order, and descending means that is decreasing order. Okay. In first example we are having 1 by 7, 6 by 7 and 4 by 7. Right. Now you can clearly see 7, 7, 7. All the denominators are the same. All the denominators are the same. Okay. Now if the denominators are same, then we have to check which number is smaller and which number is larger. Now 1 is the smallest one. First I will write ascending order. In the ascending order, I have to write the smallest number. Which one is the smallest here? That is 1 by 7. Now after 1, what it should be? It should be 4 by 7, and next number will be 6 by 7 because 6 is the largest number. Okay, and just reverse to it. What is the descending order? You will write the largest first, that is 6 by 7, then middle one, then smallest one. Okay, fine. But in the next example, I have taken 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 8 and 1 by 4. Now you can clearly see 4 and 4, two denominators are same, but 2 and 8 are also there. So what we have to do, first of all we will make the denominators same. So first of all I will take the LCM. I hope you will take the LCM. 4, 2, 8, 4. So you will write 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 again, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, again 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 is the LCM. Okay. Now 8 is the LCM of these numbers. So what you will write here? 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now next number, 2 4s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Next 8 1s are 8, 1 1s are 1. Next 4 2s are 8. Now 2 1s are 2. Now all the numbers are having same denominator 8. You can write 6 by 8, you can write 4 by 8, same 1 by 8 and 2 by 8. Okay. Now you have to write the ascending order and descending order. Now in the ascending order, what you will write? In the ascending order, we will write the smallest one. Which one is the smallest? This one is the smallest. 1 is the smallest. So along with the 1 which is there, which number is there? That is 1 by 8. So I will write 1 by 8. Then after 1 it will be 2. So in place of 2, what I will write here? What I will write? That is 1 by 4. Now next 4, in place of 4 I will write 1 by 2, and next the largest one, that is 3 by 4. Okay, what I have written there, that 1 by 8 in place of 1, 1 by 4 in place of 2, 1 by 2 in place of 4, and 3 by 4 in place of 6. Understood everyone? Now descending order, same, the reverse order of these numbers. So it should be 3 by 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 8. Simple. Okay. So for the ascending and descending order, okay, just remind one thing, you have to make their denominator same. After making their denominator same, then you have to understand or recognize which number is smaller and which number is largest. Then you have to write down the ascending order and descending order of the fractions.